Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank card on the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number or your email address. If you have already logged in, you might be asked to enter your PIN code. After logging into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from which if you wish to add any card, you can just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and you will find your linked banks option. Just tap on this option and you will be able to find the link debit card option. Now if you already have your debit card added, you can still find the option to link a new debit card. Just tap on the plus option and then simply enter your credit card number followed by your expiration month and year and then the 3-digit CVV number. Then enter your zip code as well and finally click on the link card option. You can also tap on no card and you will be asked to enter your bank account information directly to link your bank account. Now once your new card has been linked, you can simply long press on the old card and you will find the delete button. Just tap on the remove button and you will remove your old card and now your card information will be updated on your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your bank card on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.